How to build a calorie tracker in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to build a calorie tracker in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for notion.com. Once you're on notion.com, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and create a new page. Name that page is Calorie Tracker. So name it in this section before you proceed with the next step. So when creating a calorie tracker, you can use AI. To use AI, you need to enter /AI on the text section. And then once you have found that AI tool on the drop down, go ahead and enter the command to create a calorie tracker on this page. So go ahead and open that AI block first. And then in here, go ahead and describe the interface of your calorie tracker, such as what are its components. So you'll need to have the meal section with the following properties, such as the name of the food or meal when you ate it, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack, the calories number, protein number, carbs number, fat number, and daily log relation. Make sure to also create your daily log database with the date, meals, total calories, total protein, carbs, fat. When you log a meal in the daily log property of the meal, select the correct date entry. This links the meal to that day's summary. And another thing you can do is to add daily goals into your calorie tracker. And that is how you can basically build a calorie tracker in Notion. It's easier and faster using AI, such as Notion AI. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.